Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to see my likes on X. Open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then access your profile, and as you can see, it is divided into several sections right here. You want to go to section with your likes, and here you will see every single post that you have ever liked. And a little note that only you can see this likes tab on your profile, and no one, even your followers, can see this tab on your profile. Yes, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.